Hi, Mr. Random Katribo. This is me, Alabel. Greetings all the way from Nassau, Bahamas. First of all, I want to greet you a warmest happy birthday. I have known you in the YT world for quite some time, and I want to thank you for the wonderful friendship that we have in here. Thank you for everything. Since it's your birthday, I wish you all the best in life. A year older, but a year better. May your hearts be filled with happiness, laughter, and more blessings to you and your family. Cheers!
Hello everyone, I'm here to say a few words for a birthday boy that I know on YouTube, and his name is Random TV by Katribo, and he is aka Arnold Andrade. He just had his birthday recently, so I'm wishing him well for his birthday, belated happy birthday, and he requested a Christmas song, and it's a White Christmas. I will sing few words for him. Thank you. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops glisten and children listen to hear sleigh bells in the snow. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days be merry and bright, and may all your Christmases be white. Okay, belated happy birthday, Bro Random. Wish you well on your channel, Random TV Katribo. Bye, see you later.
Hello guys, ay shout out sa lahat dyan ng mga viewers at saka supporters. Meron lang akong babatiin na nagdidirawang na kanyang karawan. Walang iba kundi si Random TV by Katribo. Ayun, idol. Belated happy birthday na to kasi medyo late na yung ating video. More blessings to come. Good health, and good health to you and your family. Thank you for always supporting me. Kahit minsan ako nakakapag-support sa mo, hindi ko napapansin yung premiere mo. Sobrang busy sa work. Sometimes reply lang. Pasensya na sa mga hindi ko nasusupport sa live minsan. Ayun, long life and more success sa YouTube channel mo. More subscriber, and ayun, sana sumahot na ng malaki. Medyo maano yung boss ko kasi inuubo-ubo ako. Yan lang, medyo mahaba na yung nasabi ko. Happy birthday ulit. God bless.
Hello, good day. This is Jessa Marie 23 Vlog. Hello guys, missing you all, my YouTube family. So I would just like to say happy birthday to Sir Katribo. Even though I am not active anymore in YouTube, but still naalala niyo pa rin po ako, sir. So all I wish is a day full of love, happiness, and all the great things for you on your birthday. And always remember, you're getting better, not older. Miss you, Sir Katribo. Happy birthday. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Hi, amigo Arnold! Happy birthday sa iyo! Ayan, amigo, matagal na tayong magkaibigan dito sa online, sa YT. Ayan, super happy ako naging friend kita kasi super down to earth mo. Ang sobrang bait na tao po ito si amigo Arnold. Kaya, ngayong kaarawan mo, wish you all the best. Have a blast. Enjoy your day, amigo. Ayan. Happy birthday. And advance Merry Christmas. Bye, amigo.
Mega love shoutout sa lahat ng ating mga viewers, subscribers ng ating kaibigan dito sa YT World na walang iba kundi si Random TV. Random TV, maraming salamat sa pagkakataong iyong ipinagkaloob sa akin sa oras na ito na babatiin kita sa iyong kaarawan ng happy birthday. So, kapatid, kaibigan dito sa YT World, happy blessed birthday to you. More birthday to come. Stay good health and long life. Naway pagpalain ka ng ating Panginoon at marami pang biyayang iyong matatanggap sa oras na ito. Kaya ako'y nagpapasalamat talaga dahil isa ako sa iyong napili na magigreet sa iyong kaarawan. Kaya I'm so thankful at nakilala kita dito sa YT World. So, sa mga nanonood, ako nga pala si Puds Vlogger 82. Binabati ko kayo ng Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Magmahalan lang tayo dito sa YT World. Support lang tayo. So, Random TV, happy blessed birthday to you. And God bless you always. Thank you and bye.
Katribo, binabati ko po kayo ng isang maligayang kaarawan. May God bless you more, good health, guidance, and successful to your career path. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Ayan lang, wish you all the best, and happy birthday once again. Thank you.
Hello po, Sir Random TV by Katribo. Happy birthday po. More birthdays to come. Good luck po sa iyong channel. Naway dumami pa po ang iyong subscriber. At more power po, more earnings. Salamat po sa help mo sa channel ko. This is Gem Channel. Bumabati pong happy birthday, sir. Thank you so much.
Hello, happy birthday. Sorry, ngayon ko lang gawa kasi kagabi busy ako. Ulitin ko. Happy birthday. More birthday. Sana masaya ka sa birthday mo ngayon. Kasama mo yung pamilya mo. I-enjoy mo lang yung birthday mo. More birthday. Happy birthday.
Merry Christmas. Ho, 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 ho.